Discover how concrete pouring buckets are a secret weapon for small construction sites, revolutionising efficiency and saving you both time and money. Continue watching to find out more about the Rhinox Concrete Pouring Bucket and how it is different to others in the market. The Rhinox concrete pouring buckets are especially designed for small or complex sites, such as where there's boggy ground or it's too small to back a truck into the area. An example being a small housing plot. These concrete pouring buckets can also be used for other pourable substances that require accuracy, such as pea shingle or gravel, which makes these attachments even more versatile to have on site. A huge benefit is you only have the one-off cost of this attachment, which saves the continual expensive hire of a concrete pump. Concrete pumps are usually a lot more expensive and on a long lead time compared to the concrete pouring buckets, which can cause issues if projects run behind or even ahead of schedule. So having a concrete pouring bucket means you can pour whenever it's needed. So what makes the Rhinox concrete pouring bucket different? Well, firstly, we have the rounded chute here, which increases accuracy while pouring into trenches and around pipes. This also reduces spillages because of the accuracy of the pour to get it directly into the trench. We also have the adjustable gate here, which maximises the control you have over the concrete or other material you are pouring. It can be completely removed when you need maximum flow through the bucket. And of course, the Rhinox 12 to 25 ton concrete pouring bucket comes with bucket hooks, which is standard across all digging buckets in the Rhinox range. This means you can transport multiple buckets at one time, which reduces downtime and increases efficiency when tracking buckets across the site. The Rhinox concrete pouring buckets are designed with a multi-pin pickup. This makes this attachment very versatile because this can attach to multiple size ranges of machines. The 5 to 9 ton concrete pouring bucket comes with 45, 50 and 60mm pins. This comes with an extra 45mm pin and pinhole to suit most 5 ton excavators and 3CX hitches. The 5 to 9 ton concrete pouring bucket weighs in at 258 kilos and has a capacity of 0.35 cubic meters or 350 litres. The Rhinox 12 to 25 ton concrete pouring bucket comes with 65 and 80mm pins and weighs in at 400 kilos and has a capacity of 1 cubic metre or 1,000 litres. All information on the weights and capacities can be found on the Rhinox information plate, which is usually found between the hangers, but would always advise operators' discretion and using the machine within its capacities. So there you have it, the key features and benefits of the Rhinox concrete pouring bucket. If you want to know more about why this concrete pouring bucket has a chute, click the video here, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on another video. Pouring concrete bucket.